First, look at the doorbell as a real device, a protective cover, a push button, and the bell body. Nothing inside moves yet. Now the cover slides away only once. Inside, we reveal the coil, the iron core, the spring, the moving plunger, the striker, the bell cup, and the contact switch. When the button closes the circuit, current flows through the copper coil. The coil becomes an electromagnet. The magnetic field grows inside the coil and iron core. The field lines show where the magnetic pull is strongest. The iron plunger is pulled inward. That same motion drives the striker forward until it hits the bell cup. Slow motion, contact closes, current flows, field grows, the plunger pulls, the striker rings the bell, the contact opens, and the spring brings the parts back. Now the same action happens quickly, like a real doorbell. Each time the sound waves appear, you should hear the bell ring.